Hey everyone, Dan from Cash4Cars. What you're looking at is our latest car to go on the internet in an auction. This is a 2007 Holden Commodore SS. Very popular, comes in a striking orange colour. Got near new tyres all round too. You can see there this model has rear parking sonar and also has a Towbar fitted, and that's breakthrough to 1600 kgs. Rear spoiler, loads of boot space, massive boot space in Holden's, fantastic. Get all the golf clubs in there. Okay, and you can see down there it's on factory alloy wheels and they're a size 18-inch. Of course, there's always your usual dents and paint blemishes around the car not visible in photos. We always recommend viewing before bidding. It is registered through to the 12th month 2016. It's the VE model. So here's where the party's at. The 6-litre Generation 4 V8 engine. Heaps of grunt. And you wait until I start this one up. It's got an exhaust on this too. Sounds awesome. So it's got 2 keyless entry keys, and that's tied in with your central locking. All right, in we go. Electric window controls and wing mirror controls. It's got a new warrant there. Just done an oil service, so that's not due to 140,000 Ks. Nice. It's only travelled 131,000 Ks too. And you've got Bluetooth for talking on your phone, which is always good. And you can adjust the volume there for the stereo. Alright, we'll get a key in. ABS brakes, great safety feature. So here's where the radio displays. And you can see there it's already picked up my Bluetooth on my phone, which is always good. Alright. So we've got a CD player, factory sound system by Blowpunk, air conditioning controls, cold, working, automatic with the Tiptronic feature in there. Assume that means sport mode, and there's your traction control button. Here's a good view of the roof lining. So you've got front and side airbag protection, obviously nice SS seats. Alright, we'll just start her up so you can hear it running. Oh yeah, sounds good. I'll give it a rev. Oh yeah, that's what it's all about. And lovely looking sport seats. Loads of space in the back, fit 3 more people there. Excellent! I hope that gives everyone an insight with our virtual tour. This is Dan from Cash4Cars. Good luck, happy bidding.